Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at EasyEquities. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. EasyEquities is a low-cost, low-risk South African forex broker that was founded in 2014. EasyEquities is a subsidiary of Purple Group Ltd, which is listed on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, and they are regulated by South Africa's Financial Sector Conduct Authority, or FSCA, and the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, or ASIC. They offer multiple account types, including tax-free savings accounts, as well as an attractive loyalty program that rewards traders for consistently completing activities every month. Although we highly recommend EasyEquities to South African traders and traders based in Lesotho, Namibia and Eswatini, they are available in more than 60 countries worldwide. And you can open accounts that are denominated in the South African rand, the US dollar and the Australian dollar. With EasyEquities, you can trade American shares, Australian shares, and South African shares. And if you are looking to add shares in leading South African brands to your portfolio, then you can buy shares in MTN, Discovery, Vodacom, Dischem, Sanlam, and more. EasyEquities offers a simplistic, user-friendly website, and you can easily find information about their accounts, products, and features by navigating the menu bar. The homepage highlights information about their special offers and features, and also displays information about their tax-free savings accounts and awards. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with EasyEquities, simply hover your cursor over the Invest tab and select the Ways to Invest option. You will be redirected to a page where you can view the contract specifications for specific instruments. You can reach the EasyEquities customer support team by creating a support ticket or by calling them. When someone you've referred to EasyEquities has registered an account and had that account registered with FICA and made their first investment, you will receive 50 Rand in easy money as a reward, and your referee will also receive 50 Rand in easy money to give them a head start. EasyEquities offers an outstanding proprietary platform that is user-friendly and suitable for beginners. You can use this application to invest in shares, ETFs, retirement annuities, tax-free savings accounts, as well as unit trusts, and no monthly account or platform fees are payable. The EasyEquities mobile application has a 4-star rating on Google Play, and thousands of people are using it. You can use this application to set up recurring investments and to schedule buy and sell orders with ease. You will also have the option of adding the EasyEquities widget on the Capitec banking application. EasyEquities offers multiple account types, and some of the benefits of opening an account with them are that no minimum deposits are required to activate accounts, no platform fees are charged, and you can join their fractional share investing club. Another great perk is that you can open multiple accounts at once, giving you access to a variety of local and international shares, ETFs, and placements in initial public offerings. There are currently 6 types of accounts you can open with EasyEquities. The accounts you open will primarily depend on the shares you would like to invest in and the base currency you prefer to use. The accounts you can open with EasyEquities are the ZAR account, which is a South African Rand denominated account that allows you to invest in South African-based shares and ETFs. The tax-free savings account allows you to invest up to 36,000 Rand a year tax-free and up to 500,000 Rand in total. You can also transfer your tax-free savings account from your current provider to EasyEquities, and no monthly account costs will be charged. You can easily invest directly from your savings account. The US American dollar account gives you access to shares that are listed in popular American companies, such as Apple, Amazon, and Facebook, and it is denominated in US dollars. The AU, or Australian dollar account, gives you access to shares that are listed in Australia, and it is denominated in Australian dollars. The Easy Properties account allows you to easily invest in the property markets. There is also a retirement annuity account that allows you to invest in managed retirement annuities. You can choose to open either a ZAR demo account or a US demo account, and the account you choose will determine the currency of the virtual funds you will receive to practice with. EasyEquities does not currently offer swap-free accounts. However, this option may become available in the future. Creating an account with EasyEquities may take up to 24 hours. However, it's a simple, straightforward process, and you can open an account with a few simple steps. Firstly, launch the EasyEquities homepage, and then click on the Register button. Complete the online application form, then verify your account and email address. And once your account has been verified, you can simply log into the client portal. Once your account is set up and approved, you can fund your account and start trading. If you are opening your very first trading account, or you're an experienced trader looking for resources to improve your knowledge and skills, then you can read the EasyEquities blogs for trading and market insights. Or if you prefer, you can tune into their podcasts and listen while you trade or practice with a demo account. You can also use their intuitive Riskalyze tool to help you determine and manage your risk levels, and there are plenty of video tutorials you can watch to help you set up your account and to get investment advice from industry experts. Over the years this broker has been providing its services, they have received several awards. These awards include the FinTech and Startup of the Year by the SA Startup Awards in 2018, the #1 tax-free savings account by the Financial Mail, Intellidex and Investors Monthly in 2015 to 2019, and the #1 FinTech company in Africa by FinTech Africa from 2016 to 2017. Overall, EasyEquities is one of our top-rated local South African brokers. They make investing easy for all kinds of people, and if you are considering trading for the very first time, then you can practice on their risk-free demo accounts while you learn the basics of trading. They have won many awards over the years, and they offer flexible account types. So whether you're saving for the future or looking for shares to add to your portfolio, EasyEquities offers an account for you. EasyEquities also offers investment fraud and their InvestSure feature, which offers protection to investors against any fraud or misleading information provided by the company that may affect the share price of a company negatively, resulting in a drastic drop in share prices. If you are interested, be sure to open your EasyEquities accounts today and bring a friend along with you to claim your referral bonus. And that is our overview of EasyEquities. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.